Hey guys, it's Kay. I hope you're all well. Now this is just a quick news video update, and you're going to want to listen to this if you're a fan of Netflix. So Netflix has announced its new ad-supported plan, which it talked about earlier in the year. So it's what was expected. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, reviews and unboxings, I do everything including Fire Stick, Raspberry Pi and Android TV tips and tricks. So subscribe and hit the notification button. They've announced a new ad-supported plan for $6.99 per month in the US. And you're going to be restricted to one stream at a time at 720p video quality. So if you normally watch Netflix as a family in one room, this one stream isn't much of a fuss for you. But if you're one of those millions of Netflix users who's got family members or friends in the same household that like to watch different things at the same time, this new price tier is going to be a bit of a bummer for you. I know personally I'm going to have to fork out a bit more to get the next tier up. Now the plan's going to be available starting November 3rd and it's going to come to Australia, Brazil, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Mexico, South Korea, Spain and the UK. Now there is some good news here, and that is Netflix is going to be finally updating its cheapest ad-free plan, which is currently at $9.99 per month. And what we're going to get is a video resolution upgrade, going from 480p standard definition video to a whopping 720p HD video. Now personally I don't mind paying that extra $3 per month to get that high definition quality, even if it isn't 1080p, because if you are watching on a big screen you're definitely going to see the difference. Now regarding the ads, Netflix says the ads in the ad supported plan will be 15 to 30 seconds long, and they're going to be playing both before and during shows and films. Now me personally, I'm used to having ads on terrestrial TV, both before and after and in between content, so it's not too much of a deal breaker for me. Now they're saying you can expect to see an average of about 4 to 5 minutes of ads per hour. Now if you do subscribe to the ad supported plan, it's worth noting that Netflix are saying that some shows and movies will not be available to you, and they don't really elaborate on what content this is at the moment. And Netflix says this is due to licensing and restrictions that it's working on, so we can assume that it's not going to be any of Netflix's own content. Oh, and of course one last thing, subscribers to this ad supported plan will also not be able to download content for offline viewing. So guys, a bit of a mixed bag there from Netflix. Let me know what you think of this update in the comments below. Are you going to be continuing your subscription with Netflix? Or are you going to be trashing it for something else like Hulu, who apparently give you 2 streams for $8 a month? Anyway, let me know what you're using currently at the moment, because I might be looking for a new setup. Hey guys, if you found this video helpful, please do give us a like and do consider subscribing to the channel for more great content like this.